imbis na sila Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo ang mag-viral, nag-viral nga ngayon si Danielle Padilla matapos mapanood ng mga netizen ang movie ni na Alden at Catherine na Hello Love Again. Wow! Bakit nga ba nag-react ang mga netizen at ngayon nga ay si Danielle Padilla ang kanilang pinag-uusapan? Well, narito lang naman kung bakit. Nagulantang ang mga manonood matapos ngang makita ang bed scene at ang kissing scene ni na Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. And first time na makipag-kiss itong si Catherine. Kaya naman ang mga netizen, todo react. Narito ang kanilang mga naging komento. Siyempre, ang tanong, kamusta na nga ba si Danielle matapos ang Hello Love Again movie? Grabe namang bed scene ni Catherine and Alden. Ano, Danielle Padilla, masakit ba? Ha. Baka naman sa mga manood dyan, sama at libre nyo naman po ako. May bed scene si Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards sa movie nila na Hello Love Again. Grabe daw yung blank. Ano kayang mararamdaman ni Danielle Padilla dun sa scene na yun? Bagay sa'yo yan, DJ. Sa'yo naman ang isa, paring Danielle, parang ako lang yung nanood na nanasaktan at hindi masaya, lalo na sa mga kissing scene at bed scene. Nakuha lang ni Tridor Alden na ganon kadali ang mga labi at katawan ni Maring Catherine, samantalang ikaw ilang taon mo pang hinintay para lang mahalikan ng matamis na labi ni Maring Catherine. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, huwag ka nang manood. Yan ang advice ng isang netizen dito kay Danielle Padilla. My Katniel heart, say pa niya. Ang isang netizen naman ay sinabing may bed scene pala, yung 11 years, wala, ha, broken na naman, Katniel. Totoo bang may bed scene si Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards sa movie nilang Hello Love Again? Grabe daw yung halika nila. Ano kayang mararamdaman ni Danielle? Say naman ng isang netizen dun sa sinayon, nalulungkot ako for DJ. Yes, again, tinanong ng netizen ano kayang mapifeel ni Danielle Padilla na sa dami nilang hit na movies kay Alden lang nakipag-bed scene si Catherine. Samantala, isang netizen naman ang nakapanood ng Hello Love Goodbye ang nagbigay ng kaniyang review kung ano nga ba ang masisay sa nasabi nga pong movie na Hello Love Again through its love. So, 10 lessons daw from Hello Love Again. 1. One of the best kinds of love is self-love. Choose yourself before it's too late. 2. Love requires bravery. Being hurt is part of the experience. But remember, love doesn't have to mean pain. It's about choosing the right person. 3. Love without regrets. Give your all so that if it ends, you'll have no regrets. 4. Love is about taking risks. You win some, you lose some. There are no guarantees. Ask yourself, is the person worth the risk? 5. Sometimes the best choice is choosing yourself, and starting fresh is rekindling a relationship truly worth it. 6. Trying to mend a failed relationship can sometimes mean losing a part of yourself. 7. No one truly wins in a breakup. Both people are affected. It may not be immediate, but it will hurt. 8. The pain is temporary. It hurts deeply, but over time, you will start to heal. 9. Sometimes we only appreciate someone once they're gone. Missing their presence can bring the realization that we could have handled things better. 10. Love gives hope and assurance that better days are ahead. It brings life and positivity. Well, ano nga kaya masasay ni DJ? Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.